Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Olympiad Edge. Hopefully you all will be fine. Today we are going to solve a very interesting question which is given as m square minus n square is equal to 15, where both m and n are belongs to positive integers and we have to find the value of m and n. So let's start the solution. To solve this, first we will use a basic mathematical identity which is given as a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So according to this formula, we can write the left hand side of given question as m plus n times m minus n is equal to 15. Now we will make the all possible factor pairs of 15 and which are given as m plus n times m minus n is equal to all possible pairs of 15 are 15 times 1, 1 times 15, 5 times 3 and 3 times 5. So these are the all possible factor pairs for 15. Now from the left hand side we can conclude that this m plus n is greater than m minus n. So according to this condition we can reject this factor pair and this factor pair as we need m plus 1 greater and m minus 1 is smaller. So first factor pair 15 is greater and second is smaller is acceptable factor. It is acceptable and it is also acceptable. So these are the two possible factor pairs which we will use to find the final solution of this question. So case 1 is the case with factor pair 15 times 1. So we can write this equation as m plus n times m minus n is equal to 15 times 1. From this we can conclude that m plus n is equal to 15 and we call this equation as equation number 1 and m minus n is equal to 1 and we call this equation as equation number 2, that is this is equal to 15 and m minus 1 is equal to 1 from here. Now we will find the values of m and n simply by adding these two equations. So by adding equation number 1 and equation number 2 we will get m plus m is equal to 2m plus m and minus m will cancel out and 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. So now dividing both sides by 2 we will get m is equal to 8. This is the first value. Now for the value of n we will put this value in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is this. So put m is equal to 8 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is given as m plus n is equal to 15, that is m plus n is equal to 15 and we will put m is equal to 8 here. So 8 plus n is equal to 15 and from this we conclude that n is equal to 15 minus 8 and n is equal to 7. This is the value of n. So this is the first factor pair, that is mn is equal to 8, 7. Now we will check the validity of this solution. This is the first solution we find by using case number 1 where we use the factor pair 15 times 1, that is this factor pair, and now we will check the validity of this solution. For this purpose we will put this value of m and n in given equation. So the given equation is this is the given equation and now to verify this result we will put m is equal to 8 and n is equal to 7 in this equation and we will get 8 square minus 7 square is equal to 15. 8 square is 64 minus 7 square is 49 is equal to 15 and 65 4 minus 49 is also is equal to 15. So 15 is equal to 15. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence from this we can conclude that the solution m n is equal to 8 7 is a verified solution. It is verified solution. Now we will use the case 2 where we will use factor pair 5 3, that is this factor pair. So for case 2 the given equation will become m plus n times m minus n is equal to 5 times 3, and from this we conclude that m plus n is equal to 5, and we call this equation as equation number 3, and m minus n is equal to 3, and we call this equation as equation number 4. From this is the m plus n is equal to 5 and m minus n is equal to 3, like this. Now to find the value of m and n, again we will add these two equations. So adding these two equations, we will get m plus m is equal to 2m. This m will cancel out with this minus m is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. And now dividing both sides by 2, we will get the value of m, which is 4. So this is the value of m, and now for the value of n, we will put this value in equation number 3. So equation number 3 implies which is m plus n is equal to 5. This is equation number 3, and now we will put m is equal to 4 in this equation. So 4 plus n is equal to 5, and from this n is equal to 5 minus 4, and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, which is the value of n. So this is the second solution pair, that is m n is equal to 4 1. Now we will check the validity of this solution pair by putting these values of m and n in the given equation, and for this the given equation is this, and now we will put m is equal to 4 and n is equal to 1 in this equation, and we will get 4 square minus 1 square is equal to 15, and 4 square is 16, minus 1 square is 1 is equal to 15, and 16 minus 1 is equal to 15 is equal to 15. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, and from this we conclude that this solution pair is also verified solution. So mn is equal to 4 1 is a verified solution. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And after watching this video, if you have any other easy solution of this question, please share with us in comment section. Thank you.